Definition of research. Research is a systematic and organized process of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting information to increase knowledge, answer questions, or solve problems. It involves a careful study of a subject using scientific methods to discover new facts, verify existing facts, or develop new theories. Importance of research. 1. Expand knowledge and understandings. Research helps uncover new information and deepen understanding of various topics or issues. 2. Solve problems. It provides evidence-based solutions to real-world problems in fields like medicine, education, business, and technology. 3. Support decision-making. Policymakers, professionals, and organizations rely on research to make informed and effective decisions. 4. Improve quality of lives. Research leads to discoveries in health, science, and social policies that enhance people's lives. 5. Promotes innovation. Through research, new products, services, and technologies are developed, driving progress and development. 6. Various facts. It helps confirm the accuracy of beliefs, assumptions, and past findings through scientific testing. 7. Educates and informs society. Educate and inform society. Research create awareness and understanding, helping people become more informed citizens.